members of Rajya Sabha are nominated by President of India? Options are A. 2, B. 10, C. 12, D. 15. Correct answer is C. 12. Who can remove the Chief Justice of Supreme Court? Options are A. Parliament by resolution, B. Judges of Supreme Court by majority, C. President on a resolution by Parliament, D. President on his/her own discretion. Correct answer is C. President on a resolution by Parliament. What is the maximum permissible time gap between two sessions of Parliament? Options are A. 3 months, B. 6 months, C. 9 months, D. 12 months. Correct answer is B. 6 months. Department of Border Management comes under which of the following ministry? Options are A. Ministry of Home Affairs, B. Ministry of Defence, C. Ministry of Overseas Affairs, D. Ministry of HRD. Correct answer is A. Ministry of Home Affairs. What is the strength of judges of Supreme Court at present? Options are A. 29, B. 31, C. 34, D. 35. Correct answer is C. 34. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the right to equality? Options are A. Article 21, B. Article 32, C. Article 14, D. Article 28. Correct answer is C. Article 14. Who administers the oath of office to the President of India? Options are A. Supreme Court Judge, B. Prime Minister, C. Attorney General of India, D. Chief Justice of India. Correct answer is D. Chief Justice of India. Who is the guardian of fundamental rights in India? Options are A. The judiciary, B. President, C. The Parliament, D. CAG. Correct answer is A. The judiciary. Who is known as the architect of the Indian Constitution? Options are A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. B.R. Ambedkar, C. Rajendra Prasad, D. Sardar Patel. Correct answer is B. B.R. Ambedkar. Who is the custodian of Contingency Fund of India? Options are A. The Prime Minister, B. Judge of Supreme Court, C. The President, D. The Finance Minister. Correct answer is C. The President. Controller and Auditor General of India is appointed for how many years? Options are A. 2, B. 4, C. 6, D. 5. Correct answer is C. 6. In the Indian Constitution, the method of election of president has been taken from which country? Options are A. Britain, B. USA, C. Ireland, D. Australia. Correct answer is C. Ireland.